All right, everyone, welcome to our monthly market breakdown on Bitcoin from unknown Satoshi. And what can I say? I am very, very, very prepped for this month's breakdown. And before you watch this month's breakdown, if you haven't had a glimpse of what I said last month, like this might be quite strange to you, but let me quickly give you a rundown of what I said in the last month breakdown. In the last month breakdown, we did this whole piece of price action and understanding where Bitcoin was coming from and where it is likely going to. And I did make mention of this bear flag, which was bound to break out and go lower. So, like the first initial target, let's go to the daily time frame. The first initial target from the daily time frame after I spotted the bear flag, which is like a upward trending channel on the daily time frame, is price coming down to this support. Okay, and if price actually did come to this support, we could get a bit of a retracement, but we didn't get a retrace. Rather, we just broke through it, as I had said previously, also in the last month breakdown. Now, um, I did make mention that if price does break down lower, I would see price likely take out these old lows, which are like regions of liquidity in price. Now, it's a new month coming, and where is Bitcoin going to? All right, that's the next question on everybody's lips. Everybody will watch the commentary. They've been reaching out to me in the community. Where is Bitcoin going to? Where is Bitcoin going to? Where is Bitcoin going to? All right, now where is Bitcoin going to? I don't know. All right, let's start with that. I don't really know. But as we break down the charts, okay, as we break down the charts, we would actually understand where Bitcoin is heading to. Okay, so real quick, unknown Satoshi at unknown Satoshi, we were able to take the short. I thought I had like the entry marked out, okay, but we're able to take the short from this region in price right here. Okay, we're able to take a short from this region. Let me mark it out properly. Okay, we're able to take a shot from in this region. Right, yeah, brilliant. Right, yeah, like very, very precise. On the futures trade, we'll take a shot here and we like had our TP at this level right here, which was around the I think 1 to 6 or 1 to 8 hour or so. Let me just quickly confirm that. It was very, very close to 1 to 6 or 1 to 8. All right, I was not wrong. So it's a 1 to 6, relatively 1 to 6, right there. And we thought like basically we had some sort of ending diagonal here. So we thought price just like retraced then drop. We would have gotten a second entry within this piece of imbalance, but we didn't. Price just melted down, and here we are. Okay, so let's go back to the daily. I see something very, very interesting on the daily from Bitcoin, and which is the fact that when we broke through, like when we had all this, I thought price would actually like come back into this region that we go higher for a dump, but we didn't. So we just broke and retest this level, then we went down. Now, where next for Bitcoin? Now, most persons are actually looking at a retracement on Bitcoin, which might be inevitable. All right, we might get a retracement on Bitcoin, then we go down further because I wouldn't really be saying I would be looking for buys because basically Bitcoin is bearish. Okay, it would be very, very, it would like unprofessional of me to start looking for buying opportunities on Bitcoin. So what I would be doing is like getting an insight into where it is likely heading to. All right, so this is like the last region of support we had right here, and this is acting. It acted, okay, not acting. It acted as resistance right here. Okay, so knowing that the next region of support which we had was this lower low right here, all right, was this lower low right here, that region right there. Let's just make this a bit small. Okay, so what might we likely get on Bitcoin from this end? Okay, now one thing I see on the daily time frame is this piece of would I say symmetrical triangle or some sort of a triangle pattern, let's just put it that way. All right, we have this sort of a triangle pattern which price is basically trading within. Now, um, what would I be expecting? I wouldn't really be one-sided bias, okay? Because we all understand that trading is a game of if and if. All right, so we could get price, or we could see price actually go higher, break out, retest, then go higher back into this region before we get a dump. Okay, or we could basically see price break out lower, retest, then go all the way down. Okay, so first thing first is, it's either we break out, retest, and go higher, it beats to test the previous support, which is turned into resistance level for more confirmation, because we only had it test one, two, twice. Okay, we get a third confirmation right here before we go down, or we could just like break out lower. Okay, we could just break out lower, retest the trend line below, and just melt down. Now someone would be saying, if we had this piece of price action, like if we eventually get this breakout down, where would my targets be? Okay, where would our targets at unknown Satoshi will basically be a previous fib extension level. Okay, so I'm trying to like pull up the fib settings we use. All right, so will be a previous fib extension level, which would be this one right here. All right, our TP, next TP, if we do break out lower, would be 23.1k level. All right, don't get scared. Just I mean, I did give an insight, a previous video on how to survive a bear market. All right, so like just handle your trades properly. All right, manage your portfolio properly, and you'll be good. All right, so what we will be having right here is like price coming to 23.1k level for if we do get this breakout down lower. Now if we do get price like come higher to this level, all right, if we do get price like trade higher back into that level, I'll still rely on the same target, which is the 23.1k level. All right, so Bitcoin and ETH relatively have the same price action model. So let me just chip in ETH also. ETH USDT. All right, like I said, literally the same piece of price action. Like I was calling lower prices also on ETH. I remember one video I did like this earlier. I was calling lower price on ETH, like the break and retest happened right here. Break, retest, and we just melted. I was actually looking for a retest also here before we melt down, and we still did have a breakout, which price missed my initial targets, but like which was this old low. Price missed it by a few points. So what I'll be looking at on ETH is very simple. Okay, it's very simple. Now I wouldn't want to sound um like a know-it-all. Okay, but if I'm looking to like continue going short on ETH, which because ETH is bearish, um I'll be looking at a short at the main level of this region right here, like the main threshold, the center of such level right here, like a short somewhere around here. Let me just quickly get this done. Okay, looking at a short somewhere around here with stops above. If my stops are above, then I will be using a feed level to target my profit taking level. All right, so my profit taking level would actually be here, which is very okay, as it gives me a 1 to 2 R, which is quite interesting. All right, so yeah, that is basically it. That is basically it. ETH, okay, BTC USDT. All right, that is basically it on Bitcoin projection for this month. I know you might be thinking the video is not long, and what I just wanted to talk about is the detail, okay, to see how precise things are at unknown Satoshi, and how you can actually be part of unknown Satoshi. Okay, the link to the Discord community will be attached in the comments, will be pinned in the comments. So please do like and share this video. Also share other videos that we have on our channel. For now, good luck and good trading.